So you can see that's everything I've done so far. And my aim today is to get right about up to that line up there. Bit of a push maybe, but it's going to be out one more big shift, and I'm going on holiday on Sunday for a week. Thank God. Just right at the minute though, I need to go get some more stone. Loads of little stuff. I'm lacking on some bigger stuff, so I'll take you on a wee trip. See all the wee, there's not much big stuff in there, or not much good big stones in there. I'll go on the forklift tonight. We trip up the field, get some new bigger stones. Right, it's now 8 o'clock Friday night, and that is where I got to with all the stonework. Just shy of what I wanted to get to, but it was more down to not having enough good stone. But I'm happy with what I achieved. I actually wanted to do a time lapse, but I had nothing to fasten my phone to the scaffold, and I wanted to knock it off. I've already been through about 3 phones in the last 2 years, and if there was another one there'd probably be a murder in the house, so yeah, I'll just do it like this, just keep posting updates every now and again, but try and get one of those little GoPro gadgets that are attached to your head. Make life a little bit easier for me, but happy with that.